I think the only reason people hold on to memories so tight is because memories are the only things that don't change when everybody else does. Now, that's a mindset of a lover that idealized the image of, well, their ideal. I could not say perfect partner or karelasyon, but more of their ideals. Now, ang mahirap kasi doon is most of our ideals is mahirap i-maintain, impossible, and hindi siya nakapaling sa katotohanan. Because, again, those are ideals of the individual. So, yung bias nila towards that kind of idea is, well, personal, should I say. So, anong ginawa natin as an adjustment doon sa ideals and expectation ng bawat isa? We put our best foot forward and we created a mask wherein yun yung ideals ng partner natin. Now, understand this. Yung pagsusuot ng maskara na yon para maging acceptable ka sa kahit kanino is tiring, nakakapagod siya. Kasi literally and figuratively, that's not you. Diba? So, what would happen is yung real self mo, nagkakaroon siya ng tinatawag na shadow. Yun yung mga repressed ideas na hindi mo mailabas kahit sa partner mo. And once that built, magkakaroon siya ng subconscious control doon sa mga actions mo. And yes, sa tagal ng pagsisinungaling mo sa sarili mo at pagsuot ng maskara mo, eventually, bibigay yan. And it will lead to what we, yung bukang bibig ng mga tao sa social media, cheating, infidelity. Diba? Now, very complex kasi ang usapan ng cheating when it comes to a relationship. Because ang daming kailangang i-consider and most of what are being discussed doon sa social media is the surface level without consideration nung ibang existing factor na nagpe-play doon sa cheating, sa relasyon, and so on and so forth. Now, madalas kong sinasabi sa mga clients ko that love will always be a choice. Magkakaroon kayo ng pagtatalo, pag-aaway, di pagkakaintindihan, not because the other person is wicked or gusto lang talaga nilang manakit, but they do not know. Hindi nila alam kasi mangmang pa sila doon sa ganong klaseng bagay. And they need someone who could guide them to be able to explore yung ganong klaseng idea sa mga sarili nila, sa relasyon nila, at kung paano nila itatawid yung nangyaring gap sa isa't isa. Choosing someone is always accompanied by forgiveness. And that forgiveness means we forgive our loved ones not because we are stupid or we like to be abused, but it's because we know that they are imperfect and capable of making mistakes.